Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can scan barcode on Android. So I recommend that you begin with giving a shot to your default camera app, since some camera applications on certain devices have a built-in functional of, scanning or processing barcodes, like I have in front of me, for example. As you can see, it gets scanned, the text from the barcode gets recognized. Sometimes you will need to open the Google Lens for that. So if your default camera app does not process the barcode, give a shot to Google Lens. And the third option is to use, external or third-party applications. So launch Google Play Store, then go into search and just type barcode as your query or as your search. Here, pick whatever app is looking at you, pretty much whatever app you find the most trustworthy between the app reviews, app rating, and the amount of app downloads. For example, I'll go with this one, but once again, does not necessarily have to be this and this app only. And here, as you can see, the scanning interface is pretty intuitive. You just point your camera while inside this app to a barcode and it gets scanned, no problem. So that's how you process and work with QR codes on an Android device in general. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.